This is what's going on in the kitchen. Yep, cooking it up. Look at that. This is called chicken with red tay. We did on a half and half, some with sauce, some without sauce. Yep, that's the best cast iron you could ever buy. Spend your money on cast iron, people. Great food, good times. Here we go. We got the original white rice in the back. Yep, that's right. That's that original country scotch bonnet pepper you're looking at. Yeah, that's a yellow one, and that's a green one. That's right. And those two over there are some, you know, Mexican peppers. Give a nice flavor to your rice and peas and your white rice. You know, see the other red one over there? That's another Mexican pepper. You see, of course, you got the garlic in there. Yeah, that's what we're all about here. Eating healthy, clean. You know, make sure you use the non-plastic rice that's been going around in the markets today. You know, check your rice, check your source. Spend a little more money on your rice and it's safer for you. You know, don't kill yourself. Yeah, good food, good food. There we go. That's of course. Whoa, watch out for the steam, everyone. That's the vegetables. You know. Did I say that right? Vegetables. Yeah, I did. I think so. Alright. Yeah. Alright, Aiden, we think so, right? You see what's going on, buddy? You looking around? Say hi, everyone. Say hello. Say I'm just watching the chef. Because I want to do the same thing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at that food go right there. Hey, Aubrey, what's going on? Daddy in the kitchen showing off the food.